This candy corn Jell-O will make for a super easy and fun Halloween treat. 2 boxes of Jell-O and some whipped topping and you will have one colorful treat. Grab a box of orange and lemon Jell-O, candy corn, treat glasses, and some whipped topping. You will also need some water. Make the Jell-O per the directions on the box. Place the lemon gelatin in a bowl and add 1 cup of boiling water. Stir until it is dissolved. Add 1 cup of cold water and stir. Fill each glass a third of the way and place it in the refrigerator. Wait about 40 minutes before making your next color. Place the orange gelatin in a bowl and add 1 cup of boiling water. Stir well until it is dissolved. Add 1 cup of cold water and stir. Fill the glass another third of the way and place in the refrigerator. Refrigerate until you're ready to serve. Top each portion with whipped topping and garnish with a piece of candy corn. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.